In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Fliki AI and Hour One, two popular AI video generators. Both platforms offer unique features, pricing plans, and use cases. For your convenience, the links to both Fliki AI and Hour One are in the description below so you can try them out. Let's start by comparing the features of Fliki AI and Hour One. Fliki AI offers a wide range of templates and customization options, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with ease. On the other hand, Hour One focuses on simplicity and ease of use with a streamlined interface and quick video generation process. Both Fliki AI and Hour One offers free plan with $0. In terms of use cases, Fliki AI is ideal for businesses looking to create marketing videos, social media content, and educational videos. Hour One, on the other hand, is great for creating quick videos for social media posts, presentations, and personal projects. In conclusion, both Fliki AI and Hour One are excellent AI video generators, each with its own set of unique features and benefits. The choice between the two ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Click the link in the description to try Fliki AI and Hour One for free and see which one works best for you.